Hi, in this video we'll connect about this purchase agreement. We can record an accounts payable against a purchase agreement or against a purchase request or direct. So this is the purchase agreement dashboard. On clicking purchase agreement dashboard, you will see the list of agreements which is available, and you can select any line item, and if you click display details it will show the details and who is the vendor and what is the code, what is the balance available, and when it was created and who approved. And you can, under attachment tab, you can even download the agreement as well. And you can create a new agreement by clicking an option called add purchase agreement. So I have clicked the add purchase agreement. Either if you know the vendor code, you can enter the vendor code, or because we are entering the master data. Say for example, for legal quotient I want to create an agreement. I can start typing. If I start typing two or more letters and I click drop down, the values get filtered. Legal quotient, and which project. This is the admin project, and when is the agreement start date. This is from August 2025 to 31st December 2025. Any agreement reference that you have physically on the agreement, any agreement number or anything that you had. So this is for legal fee agreement. What is the agreement currency? It is in INR in this case. What is the agreement value? The agreement value is 45,000 INR. Status is active. Under attachment tab, it is mandatory to attach the agreement what you have entered with the vendor. Either if you click validate, it will say that attach the agreement, or without attaching also, it won't allow. You should attach the agreement so that subsequently you can retrieve. So a request is raised for creating a new agreement. So this agreement now pending with Ram for approval, and then it goes to the Rohan for approval. Then it becomes an active agreement. Under agreement dashboard, while creating an agreement, we are entering the vendor code, and as well as for which vendor, for which project, and what is the start date, end date, and the balance. And as and when we account invoice against this agreement, the balance comes down. You can select, you can in fact download all open agreements. There is option called download all open agreements, where you can see what was the original balance and what is the balance available now. So that means we have consumed some balance for the agreement one. So you can even see the detailed uses also. If you select any one and fetch agreement uses, it shows that I have created this for 1,80,000, and there is an AP1 against this document. I used an balance of 30,000. So the effective balance left under this agreement is 150K, 1,50,000. So agreement is a way where you give a basic data and give an start date and end date and the balance, so that whenever you are accounting against this agreement, the balance come down, and you can track what all your open agreements. Agreement is a format where assume you want to receive continuous supply of services and you don't want to issue a purchase order. You can issue an agreement also, and against this agreement you can enter these transactions. Thank you.